Speaker, sir. We have put the cut motions, and I'm here to discuss on only one cut motion, and that is failure to complete the Zorivado-Davarli Cemetery Complex. Speaker, sir, Zorivado-Davarli is a hamlet of scheduled tribe communities. And it was my dream at that time that we develop this place with all-round facilities. So traditionally there was a chapel. We upgraded that chapel, and we wanted to create various facilities, like the community facilities, sports facilities, which are very much for the development of this tribal village. Accordingly, the government had started the construction of cemetery through the Sports Authority of Goa. When I went to survey this place, I found that the area which I had got it from the Komdad of Davarli, and which was supposed to construct the cemetery, that happened to be in a very low-lying area. And therefore it is called Zorivado, where there are a lot of underground water flow. Now, the existing work which the Sports Authority has started is not complete. Obviously for 3-4 reasons. Reason number one, the area is low-lying. Reason number two, whatever the graveyards which were earlier proposed, they have gone at a low-lying area. So obviously they had to bring up. And reason number three, the compound walls which they had earlier planned are also not done properly, with the result that every rainy season, the total graveyard is fully flooded. And it is not possible to utilize not even 1 square inch of those graveyards. Now, therefore, Speaker, sir, I had written a letter somewhere on 6th October 2017, requesting that the tribal ministry to ensure that they put at least 350 graveyards to complete the surrounding compound wall around the cemetery. Now, they don't have any funds left, I am told. Painting of the surrounding compound wall after it is completed. Electrification of the cemetery. Fixing of the compound gates, as it is in shambles. It doesn't look like a graveyard. It looks like a something which is just put there and is full of water. That the passages which are proposed around the graves to be laid with pavers. Putting a shade on the main passage. General landscaping inside the cemetery. Now, Speaker, sir, in our lifetime, when we leave, we construct beautiful bungalows. We provide beautiful gardens. We create a beautiful infrastructure. For me, this is only temporary. What you build as a residential house, what you build around your house is temporary. Our permanent residence is there in the cemetery. So if we put so much of effort to construct beautiful houses for our temporary this, we must do something for our permanent residence. Now I feel, since you are there, I've got full faith and full trust that you will support to make this an ideal village. We have got ideal this which we had constructed, a chapel, which is going to be very soon upgraded into a church, full-fledged church. And once you upgrade as a full-fledged church, it must have a school, it must have a playground, which we have, and you must have a good, decently constructed graveyard. Now, my subsequent letters are self-explanatory. I would like to bring to your notice that the department has already done an estimate, but they have written a letter that they want new NOC from the chapel, new NOC from village panchayat. Now, I don't know, once the department has already taken the works, why another NOC is required. But even then, I have asked the chapel committee to give the NOC, and they have already given. I have asked the panchayat to give the NOC. This land was given to us. In fact, I had taken the land from the Komdad of Davarli. And since all the formalities were already done and the work had already started, I think they should not waste time. And I'm sure you will give them the necessary instructions. On the basis of the earlier NOCs, they can start this project. And I'm very grateful to you because you said that you are going to take this up under Adivasi Vikas Yojana. So I request you, since the full upgradation of the chapel to the church is awaiting the construction of this cemetery, which for me is very, very important for the overall development of the village and the tribal population, because that is one tribal population where I'm involved. I was deeply involved in the development, in the progress. So I'm looking forward that you will support us in getting it as early as possible. Thank you.